in your mind, what are the key elements of a Skyline laundromat? What are the critical elements of that makes it Skyline?
Um, I think presentation and customer service, right? And making sure that um, everything is what's the word? Uh, everything's the same across the platform, right?
Okay,
So
uniform.
uniform is the correct word. So like I want to have the same POS system. I want to have the same, the card system. I want to be able to have, when a customer walks in, they feel like, okay, they're in the same, under the same umbrella, no matter what store they go to, right? So if it's something small. It's very small. It's a weird example, but I'll give it. Right, the store that we just acquired a couple of months ago. Right, the first we could do is put two of our vending machines and an ice cream bunker. Right,
Yeah.
so we have a customer that goes to one of our other stores, but he happened to go here too, and I had no idea. And so I walked into one of our stores, one of our older stores, and he was there, and we were just talking, and he was like, "Hey," so I was like, "Yeah, we just acquired another store," and we have good conversations all the time. And he looked at his wife. He was like, "Which one?" Like he just like started like just smirking, and he started like saying, "Which one?"
Hmm.
And I was like, "Oh, the one on in that area." And and he looked at his wife and was like, "See, I told you, Omar must have bought that store." And it was simple. It was like as soon as we went in last week, we saw the two vending machines, we saw the ice cream machine, we saw that the bathroom doors were working, we saw you put the soap machine,
Yeah.
and we just for some reason had an idea that this was Omer's touch,
It
right?
had
Or
your
the skyline,
fingerprints all over it, right?
touch, yeah, or the skyline touch per se. But they
Hmm.
couldn't just confirm it until whatever. And I hadn't put the skyline label stickers or anything right now. It was just like
Hmm.
week one right now,
Hmm.
and so that was it was good to hear that. I was like, oh, cool, it's working. Something's working.
Right. And again, it gets to that whole idea of brand and branding and uniformity and that
Correct.
type of topic that we're talking about. Yeah.
Correct.